Error 0x80240017. We're running the built-in troubleshooter and clearing the update cache. Takes about 3 minutes. If you're seeing error 0x80240017, an install or update that keeps failing at the same spot, or a progress bar that just stops, this is it. I've cleared this off hundreds of Windows machines. This won't touch your files or anything you've installed. Open Settings, go to System, scroll to Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters, find Windows Update, hit Run. If that fixed it, drop a comment saying fixed. If it's still not working, open File Explorer and paste this into the address bar. Select everything inside and delete it. These are just temporary download files, not your data. Restart your computer. Try the update or install again now. If that didn't get it, search for a command prompt, right click it, and choose Run as Administrator. Type this exactly and press Enter. SFC/Scan now. It's scanning and repairing system files. Let it finish, restart when it's done. Try again now. If you have AVG, VAST, or any third-party antivirus installed, disable it temporarily or uninstall it. Some antivirus programs block installs mid-process. That's what's triggering this error. Try the update or install again with it off. Installing Visual C++? Two things to check. First, if a newer version of Visual C++ is already installed, that's the conflict. The installer won't run on top of it. Second, make sure KB2999226 is installed. Search Windows Update for it by that number. Getting this during a printer driver install? Open Device Manager, find the printer, uninstall the printer, and try installing fresh. If the same driver keeps failing, right-click the update and hit Hide Update. Run the update or install again. If it goes all the way through without the error, you're done. You just fixed it yourself. Drop a comment saying fixed. It helps the next person find this video. If it's still showing up, drop a comment with exactly what you're seeing. I'll help you out.